aware from meeting magicians that they also like folding money, but they turn it into magic tricks, and some of them are ingenious. My feeling is there's dozens and dozens out there, but I've come across three which I want to show you. I noticed one of them actually is in this money folding potion which I've got. Oh, incidentally, this one here, the shirt, is something I showed in the previous video. But there's this one here in the middle, which is how to make a $1 bill, or any, there's got a $20 bill there, and fold it into a finger ring. That's very nice. Well, the magician looked at this and said, can we improve on it? And they can, and they have. So here's a magician's take on folding a dollar bill, this is, into a finger ring. It's a bit of an untidy mess, but it does actually fit over your hand. Make sure that bit doesn't slip out of place. It just about sits on my finger like that. However, a magician would then say to his fellows, well, do you like my diamond ring? Diamond? Ring, yes, but diamond? It's only a bit of paper, it's a dollar bill. Well, what he means is, he picks out this little 1 dime piece, which is an American 10-cent piece, and of course what he's doing is slurring his speech and referring to a dime in a ring, which is, it's a dime in a ring, and referring to it as a diamond ring. Diamond. Nice one there. So it's a very clever take on what's already quite a neat little bit of paper folding. It makes it into something a little bit extra, a little special. So well done, that guy who invented that. The second one to show you is something my friend Marcetta Ducati showed me. It's something you play on waiters as you're leaving a cafe after a very light snack. You pay the bill and you proffer a tip. And as you give it to them, you get out fast. Because when he comes to open it, he finds, oh my gosh, it's only a single $1 bill, not two. Got a slit in it too. If it's slit in there and folded that special way, it looks for all the world like a couple of dollars. That's a good old magician's trick. Oh, well. The third one is probably the best one I've seen for a long time. I've got it many, many years ago. I've got it tucked away here actually. And this is a fully fledged and very, very elaborate trick that is elaborately made, I should say. It's a very easy one to do. But it's a superb bit of paper engineering too. It's a real fake dollar. Well, a real bit of stage money, which is $1,000 or $1,000. And the idea is, if you want to show it to people and say, this is a nice idea for a joke note, would you like to have a close look at it? They say yes, so it moves. Oops. Try that again. Right, keep it very bit flat, it'll perform better. You offer it to somebody and well, it comes out to meet them. Extraordinary. If you move your hand forward, well, I shouldn't have mentioned that, but it comes out to meet them. And then finally, if you say, would you like to have it folded? It's self-folding. So you wave a magic wand and it folds itself up. A little thing. Beautiful. Let me just show you one more time, because it's such a nice idea, and the mechanism, of course, is invisible, even with our trained eyes. Hold it flat in your hand like that, and you offer it to a friend to examine, and as you do so, it comes out to meet them. And finally, you ask if they'd like to have it folded up so they can hold it more easily, and you make a magic sign and it folds itself up very neatly into one single little pack there like that. Isn't that beautiful? So magicians do something really quite wonderful with the folding banknote pastime. Looking forward to seeing some more. Wow.